Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the bulk add feature to quickly add large numbers of guests into the system so that they can then receive a handy SMS reminder to make a contribution to your gift registry or your wishing well. Now, obviously, we know that we have the ability to add guests one at a time, but if you have a lot of guests coming, you probably already have a spreadsheet of names and potentially already their phone numbers and addresses that you might be able to use. So the first thing we do is we're going to click this button, and this is where we're going to insert the details. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our spreadsheet that we have here, and you can see that this is my guest list file. It's just a simple Excel sheet, and I've got the names in one column and the phone numbers in another column. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file, but in a slightly different format. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. So this is going to save this in a new file. And I'm going to put this onto my desktop. And I'm going to save this as a CSV file. And click Save. And you may get a little warning, but that's okay. Just save the file anyway. And so now when I hide this, on my desktop, I have this new file here. So this is the original Excel file, and this is the CSV file. Now, what we want to do next is we want to right-click this and open it in a program like Notepad or some kind of plain text document. So you can right-click and say Open With and select Notepad, or you can go into Notepad and then open it from there. Either way is fine. And you'll see this just opens it up, and it basically shows what we had in the Excel spreadsheet, but now each one of the cells in the spreadsheet is separated by a comma. And then because this first line is actually the name of the columns that I had, I'm going to delete that because I don't want that. And then I'm just going to select all of that information and come back to the website and hit paste or Control V to paste that in there. And then I'm good to go. So then I can hit Add Guests, and the system automatically goes through and is able to easily figure out each one of these individual guests and add them to a line item. So you can save yourself potentially a lot of time if you have quite a few guests coming. So then you can just hit Save and you're all done.